Let's face it, even the best apps get bad reviews. Bugs happen, expectations get missed. But here's the truth: negative reviews aren't the enemy. In this lesson, you'll learn how to respond, recover, and even win from negative feedback, and turn 1-star frustration into 5-star trust. Why negative reviews matter. Negative reviews impact your average rating, which affects your ranking and conversion rates. But here's the twist: how you handle negative reviews matters even more than the reviews themselves. Every reply is a public signal of your brand's integrity. A smart response strategy turns problems into proof that you listen, care, and take action. Step 1. Respond promptly. Speed matters. A fast response shows users and potential users that you're present and engaged. Aim to reply to negative reviews within 24 to 48 hours. If your app has high volume, use templates for common issues, but personalize every message. Step 2. Stay calm, kind, and helpful. No matter how rude the review, never match the tone. Instead, follow the 3C formula: calm, clear, constructive. Example: we're sorry you had that experience. Our team is investigating the issue and would love to help. Could you reach out to support@yourapp.com so we can fix this for you? This shows empathy, accountability, and action, all in one line. Step 3. Use replies to show updates. When you fix an issue or release a feature based on user feedback, go back and update your reply. Example: thanks again for your feedback. In our latest version, we've resolved the crash issue you reported. We'd love for you to try it and update your review if it's working better now. This closes the loop and invites users to revise their review, which many do. Step 4. Don't argue ever. Even when a review is unfair or incorrect, avoid public debate. It always makes the brand look defensive. If clarification is needed, keep it neutral. We'd love to understand more. Can you email us with details so we can help directly? Step 5. Learn from the patterns. Negative reviews are a goldmine of insight. Use sentiment analysis or keyword tagging to spot common complaints. Are users confused during onboarding? Is a recent update causing crashes? Are expectations misaligned with your App Store messaging? Fixing these issues can prevent 10 future 1-stars with one simple change. Step 6. Flag what's unfair. If a review is clearly spam, abusive, or violates platform guidelines, report it. Apple and Google both allow developers to flag problematic reviews. But use this sparingly. It's for moderation, not damage control. Final thought: every review is an opportunity, even the rough ones. When you respond with empathy and speed, you're not just helping one user, you're signaling to every future user that you stand behind your app. Great ASO isn't just about algorithms, it's about trust, and trust is built in the reply section. Next up, we'll talk about leveraging positive reviews as growth assets, how to turn happy users into marketing gold. But first, go look at your 1-star reviews. How many could become 5-star testimonials if you just replied?